Hello, Srini. It's great to join your Capital Markets Day. T-Mobile is the world leader in telecommunications networks. You did it by rethinking innovation and how networks are engineered. A year ago, T-Mobile and NVIDIA announced the opening of the AI RAN Innovation Center. Together, we quickly moved from idea to making live calls over NVIDIA's Aerial AI RAN computer. AI continues to transform every industry and will also revolutionize telecommunications. Like electricity, the internet, AI is essential infrastructure. Every consumer will use it, every company will be powered by it, and every country will build it. Now, intelligence is moving into the physical world with robots, autonomous vehicles, and cities. A billion cars, billions of robots in the future, millions of factories, and hundreds of millions of farms will all be connected to intelligence. AI will be distributed at the edge, present at the location, and understand the logic of the physical world. This is where AI RAN and 6G change everything. The radio network becomes a distributed AI. T-Mobile has recognized this shift. Every base station with NVIDIA Aerial becomes an AI computer, and 6G is the connective fabric. Computing, sensing, and connectivity converge. This creates entirely new opportunities for the telecommunications industry. That's why this moment matters. I'm thrilled to see our vision of AI RAN taking shape in T-Mobile's Seattle labs. Together, we're demonstrating how telecommunications is an essential platform for AI. And together, T-Mobile and NVIDIA are building this future.